there! We are going to make a simply tasty home-cooked pork mechado. Let's get started. Here's what we need. 2 pounds of pork cutlets, medium size of onion, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 small carrots cut into pieces, sweet bell peppers cut in chunks, 2 regular size of potatoes cut up in chunks, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of green peas, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. For our marinade, we need 1/4 cup of calamansi or lemon juice and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We also need extra cooking oil. First, on our heated pan, put some oil. Then pan fry the carrots and potatoes. While frying, let's marinate the meat with soy sauce or calamansi extract or lemon juice. Mix together until the meat is covered with sauce and set aside. Then drain the pan-fried potatoes and carrots. Then let's also quick fry the sweet peppers and set aside. Now let's heat up a deeper casserole and put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let's saute the garlic and onion. Then put our marinated meat. Mix together, cover, and simmer until the meat is slightly tender. After a few minutes, it starts to boil. Let's check. When the meat is no longer pinkish, we can put our tomato sauce. Cover and then bring it to boil until the meat is fully cooked. Then let's put some salt and pepper to taste. Then put the fried potatoes and carrots. Mix together, then add the green peas. Simmer it for a few minutes until the meat is completely tender. Finally, add the bell peppers. And now our pork mechado is ready to serve. This tasty homemade recipe is one of our family's favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.